Hi everyone, let's head a little bit back to the stock market. Let's talk about a vertical aerospace. It's a technology company engaged in design, manufacture, sales, and servicing of electric aircraft. Pretty new thing. Unfortunately, they are down 24%, but we've seen that there's a big move currently, 42% up today. 5-day return even higher, 50. So actually, this is a good news. 6 month, nothing there, less than 1% downside, and 1 year same. So actually, it's on the simple Wall Street, not so fresh data. So minus 24 is the previous day close. Market cap based on it 1.6 billion. Quite big, but actually there are, I guess, like mid-cap companies. Good news that revenue grew already by 32% over the past year. Unfortunately, the snowflake analysis shows pretty reddish red dot on the center. The bad news that it makes less than 1 million in revenue. Actually, it's 104,000 pounds. Latest financial reports are more than 6 months. Also, that's actually not so good. So we don't have fresh data there. Latest news: there was a board change, shelf registration. They also seek for the financing, so they have something going on there. U.S. Aerospace and defense, where 1 year return 16% up. US market minus 0.9. So actually standing still. The company is more volatile than average market volatility. The company founded 2012, employees already 157. Here's, by the way, the fundamental summary showing. Unfortunately, yeah, this is pounds, so 1.2 billion pounds. Revenue as little as 104,000. Earnings minus 27 million. So that's the valuation actually. So it doesn't even calculate the PE ratio because of the company is not profitable. So there's nothing to calculate it. But of course, it looks like bubble, but still we have to remember that trying to diversify by time is well good enough. Valuation 0 out of the 6, so there's actually many not good things going on there. Industry, by the way, P ratio 222, market 16. So the industry is quite overbroad, but still, let's have a look on the future growth. 0 out of the 6. The industry that they're working is capital goods, so actually it's not accurate. 12% is forecasted to that group. Discover group company, high growth companies in the capital. I'm not sure why it's put it there. Past performance, this is important. Last earnings growth minus 170%, so that's actually very tough. Earnings and revenue history. So as you can see, the earnings are decreasing, and unfortunately, company is currently unprofitable, and I guess not even forecasted to become profitable. Here's the financial health: 106 long-term liabilities. Yeah, here we see the debt to equity history and analysis, where we can see they took the debt, equity is going down once again. They had, by the way, negative shareholder equity, which is very serious situation, but they have managed. I'm not sure, did they put some stocks? Nah, shares outstanding. Yeah, a little bit, 4,000. But anyway, let's continue to this one. Balance sheet looks reddish on the liability side. Dividends 0 out of the 6, so they're not paying dividends. And and average board is 0.3. Where's the no insider transactions? Ownership breakdown: 72% holding insiders, general public 17, public companies 5, institutions slightly less than 5%. Top shareholders, we see that there's the biggest 71% founder holding Stephen Fitzpatrick. American Airlines Group holding 5.38. And a lot of the companies. Morgan Stanley is also here. I'm not sure why, for example, Vanguard or BlackRock is not here. But anyway, in my opinion, I like when those are in. Let's check the forecast of the analyzed price target. So we see here that it's quite overbought because they're showing 28% downside. So the price target based on tip ranks is $8. Price target on the market watch showing good scenario 6, median 5, low 5, on average 5.6. Current price, I'm not sure this is the same number, but anyway, here's the numbers. Also, let's have a look at the bottom line. So we see that there's a kind of support level at around 630. So it might be good, and volumes are once again increasing. There's a big green candle going up. There is, of course, potential to spike, same as we had seen December 22nd, when the highest point were $18. But of course, I think the price would be around $6 to $7. In my opinion, but of course, nothing like a financial advice or something like that. Shares outstanding slightly increased. Sales are increasing as well, which is good. Sales growth 24%. And so here we see the all-time minus 16%. Hopefully that clarifies about the company, the financial status. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.